The AFF Championship is a biennial international association football competition organized by the ASEAN Football Federation, contested by the national teams of Southeast Asia. It was founded as the Tiger Cup after Singapore-based Asia-Pacific breweries, makers of Tiger beer, sponsored the competition from its inauguration in 1996 until the 2004 edition. After Asia-Pacific breweries withdrew as title sponsors, the competition was known as the AFF Championship for the 2007 edition. From 2008, Japanese auto company Suzuki bought the naming rights for the competition, and the competition has therefore been named the AFF Suzuki Cup for sponsorship reasons. The official football since 2014 of the Cup has been Mitre, and in 2016 the Delta Hypersea will be the ball of choice. Organization: sports marketing, media and event management firm Lagardère Sports has been involved in the tournament since the inaugural edition in 1996. Suzuki Motors is the title sponsor of the tournament since 2008. Results: summaries from 2004. The knockout stages played over 2 legs on a home and away format without the away goals rule. However, the away goals rule was put into effect from the 2010 edition. Since the 2007 edition, there was no official third-place match, hence there were no official third place and fourth place being awarded. Semi-finalists are listed in alphabetical order. Team performances: DNP equals did not participate, DNQ equals did not qualify, DNE equals did not enter, GS equals group stage, SF equals semi-final, medal table asterisk semi-final. Top scorers: overall top goal scorers as of after 2014 AFF Championship. Overall top goal scorer. A bold denotes players still playing international football. Most valuable players all-time ranking table. Note: as per statistical convention in football, matches decided in extra time are counted as wins and losses, while matches decided by penalty shootouts are counted as draws. Note: